Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can invite friends on Free Fire. Keep watching the video till the end. To invite friends on Free Fire, firstly go ahead and launch open your Free Fire application. The home page of Free Fire application will appear on the screen. Click on human icon at the top right side of the page. On the next page, you can either add or invite your friend by searching by their name on the search box, or else invite them through Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Imo, or by copying the link as well. Choose any one of the option. Here I'm gonna go with Messenger. Tap on send option right next to the person's name that you'd like to invite. This is how you can invite friends on Free Fire quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.